This is the 2018 Roush F-150 grill light kit. This kit incorporates directly into the grill in existing mounting points without modification. So again, you don't have to cut, you don't have to drill. This incorporates directly into the factory grill. It's solid, will not move, has many adjustments. So if you wanted to bring the lights and tilt them outward a little bit, you can. You can pivot them forward as well, so if you want to aim them down more or up more and so on. This kit utilizes the Rigid E-Series E4 light kit, so let's go ahead and talk about this kit and see what you think. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the new light kit. All right, so this light kit fits into the existing pockets as you see here. It utilizes a powder-coated finish set of brackets along with stainless steel, black oxide hardware for rust prevention. So all your hardware here, it's black for that stealthy look. You don't want that shiny chrome look in your grill, but it's all stainless steel so that it should be corrosive resistant as well. And that's on both sides. Again, these lights do not require modification of your existing grill. They incorporate into the stock pockets. All the wiring is run through the grill and then hooked up to the switch panel in the center console. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the new carbon fiber switch panel. So this new switch panel incorporates into the factory location where the rubber tray is in a center console F-150. This fits all F-150s with this center console, Roush or otherwise. With this switch panel, it can add 3 additional switches to control lights and other items. This gives a nice clean factory look, and the carbon fiber gives a really rich and deep look as well. So if you're in the market for a switch panel for your 2015 plus F-150, then you should definitely take a look at my patent pending switch panels for the 2015 plus F-150. Now 15 plus, that means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, anything that has this center console with this center rubber tray. And then you simply flip the switches on to turn on your lights. When installed, the switch panel, and you only use one switch, for example, the additional switch wires can be run here under the hood, similar to the Raptor, so that you can tap off of these and add additional lights and controls at a later date. So for right now, for example, we are only using one switch to control our lights. So if I wanted to add some additional lights or anything else, I can tap off of those additional wires there to control my additional lights with those switches that are already pre-installed. So as you can see, the new Roush grill light kit is quite bright with the Rigid Pro Series driving combos. So if you want a little bit more off-road capability with still retaining that OEM look, this is the kit to go with.